Hi guys, this is Ankesh Srivastava from headshotmedia.com, and in today's video we are going to learn how to make a landing page for if you're running a Google Ads pay-per-call campaign. So we learn how to use a free tool called Elementor and make a good landing page that can be approved easily on Google Ads pay-per-call. First thing first, you have to log into your WordPress WP admin panel, and then we'll start installing the plugin that we'll be using for creating the landing page. The name of the plugin is Elementor, so just go in this plugin section, add new, and then search for Elementor. And here you will see that I have already activated and installed it. So the plugin should say by elementor.com. You have to install this plugin. Alright, and once it is installed, you have to activate it from here, and once it is done, then we are all ready to go for creating our first landing page for pay-per-call. So for creating our landing page, you just have to go here at pages and go to add new. Alright, just give it a title. We are, if you are running a pay-per-call campaign, then you must be knowing that there are various campaign called pest control, hotel booking, flight booking, insurance, plumbing. So today we are going to make a landing page for an offer called plumbing. So plumbers near you, this will be the title of our landing page. Here, just click here, edit with Elementor. Well, in this video there won't be any paid plugin or pro plugin used. All whatever we are using for creating this landing page is totally free of cost. The only thing that you have to pay for is your hosting and your domain name. That is self-explanatory. So this is how it will look like when you create a new page at WordPress using Elementor. Alright, so this is pretty blank now. We have to start creating our landing page. So just first we'll create this heading section. This is called heading section. Okay, and then we'll create this body section here, and then we'll create a simple contact bottom section, right? So okay, so first what we want is to create this heading section. First, here we will be having our website title, which is website name, domain name, whatever you have. Your company name will be here, and then here we will put a button for calling. All right, whenever user clicks this button, it will be prompted for a call. All right, so just click this plus button, and look, we have two columns here, one for text, and whatever if you want to put a logo here, you can just duplicate this column, and it will be divided into three parts, and you just put your logo here, name here, and phone number here, but we are not putting logo right now. So I'm deleting this, and it is divided into two sections, one for text, one for button. So let's just quickly add the text. You just have to you see these dots, just click here and you will see several options in order to create drag and drop option just to create your landing page. So in this section we will just drag and drop heading, and we'll put something, whatever you can put your domain name, but I'm just putting a sample demonstration purpose text, which is pro numbers, right? And here just type button and drag and drop the button here. All right, now we want this thing, and these both thing you can see it is left aligned. These both are left aligned. So I'll make this button right align. It will look, I think, better. See, now it is looking better. And I'll change the color of it. So what we will do is just click here, click this button, and see several options has opened. So what we'll do is we just go to style and see here, color, background type, color, and we just click here, and I'll select something like orangish. Alright, so see, I think it looks quite better. Something a little bit dark would be very good. See, now this is good. Same thing I'll do with this color. I'll try to look. Let's just give this a blue background. This whole heading section, header section. So just click here, the 6 dots here, and then go to style and go to background type, classic, color, and I'll give it a bluish color, right? So light blue color will be good. Something a little bit darker will be good, I think. See, now it is looking good. Alright, so let's change the color of this text. So click here and click this section, and then go to style, and then change color, text color to white. See, now it is looking fairly good. And here we'll put a number. You can put whatever number you got from your paper call network. So just put number. I'm just putting a random number. Now just to now just to make this a clickable number, when someone clicks it and it will get prompted, what we have to do is just in this link section type tel colon and just paste your number here, and then it will be converted into a click to call button, right? Hit publish. Okay, so our first section, the heading section, is ready now, right? Now we have to we'll like to create this this section, which is called hero section, right? Just select it, click this 6 dots, and then go here in height section. You can see this is very less amount of very less space here, so just create some space for our image and primary heading. So go to min height, and then you can see the height has been increased of this section. Now we can easily select background here. So just click this 6 dots again and go to style, and select a background type. We will put our image here. Alright, plumbing image. So for image purposes, for free images, I just use Pixabay. So go to Pixabay and write plumber. Here you can see various other several plumbing related images. So just pick a good one. Let's just pick this one, free download. Alright, the image has been downloaded. So just for uploading the image, just go here, choose image, upload files, drag your image here, upload it, and insert media. You can see it is inserted. Now let's just make some adjustments. Position, center, attachment, scroll, repeat, no repeat, size, auto cover. Let's see what looks good. Contain. I think cover is looking good. Yeah, so it is looking good. Now let's just make it little bit blurred so that we can have our text focused. So just go to background overlay and select a color. I'll select something darker, which is black. All right, or as you can see we have this blue color here, so just select something similar to this, a blue color, right? And okay, and just select the opacity of the image. Let's decrease the increase the opacity. All right, so now it is looking fairly good now. All right, we are good to go. So now just create our first heading section. Here the same thing, drag and drop your heading, center line it. All right, just put some text here. Need emergency plumbers. Now click here. Let's just change the text color. Go to style and go to text color, select white, and now we think now I think we should also change the size of the font, and let's change the font family that we are using here. So just go to typography and select the size. You can just increase or decrease the size. We will select this size. And font, you can use any font. I like Helvetica, so Helvetica is good. So see how it is looking good. We can put our number below it, so just double click here and duplicate, and we'll put our this number here. All right, we can change the font of this thing. All right, see, this is how it is looking currently. If you want, you can also change the color of this number, which let's try it. Text color, let's go for something catchy. Right, now it is looking good. I think we should also make it a little bit bolder, so that number will be highlighted pretty, something more highlighted, right? So go to typography and select the weight of this. I think go for bold. Yeah, now it is looking good, fairly good, right? So look, this is how it is looking right now. Great. So now what we are going to do next is to create our this section. Here we will put our services section, right? Like whatever services, whatever the key highlights of the company. And first create one more heading, and then select this 3 columns. Now in this heading area we will mention our services. So our best services, center line it, go to style, change font to Helvetica, and I think the the size of the font is pretty good. It is looking good here. All right, now just select this section and create our services section, and go to height, min height, and you can see here we have increased the height of this section. Alright, now what we have to do is we will mention our three best services what the company is offering. So we can put like just drag and drop our heading here. I'll be writing 24/7 service available, and just click this section and drag and drop the heading, and emergency numbers available, and one more similar step is here, and we can write affordable plumbing service, right? And just make these text center line. Click here and center line, click here and center line. Now I think we should decrease the font size a little bit, so just click here and go to style and typography, and yeah, 23 is good. Just copy this, so go here, click style, typography, and just paste 23. Similarly here, style, typography, and 23, right? So you can see this is fairly good, looking fairly good, right? And similarly you can just start creating more services. If you want to add more services, you just click any of this column right here and duplicate it, and similarly the column will be added, and you can add as much as services you want to showcase on your landing page. We can just create one more service, 100% satisfaction, right? Center line it is already center line because we did duplicate this column. Alright, so you can see our heading is ready, our hero section is ready with call to action, and our best services section is ready. Right now we can create something like about the company. Alright, so in this section I'll select this, where one column has greater width than the other. So let's select this. You can see the one column is bigger than the other. So here we'll put an image. Similarly, just go to this 6 dots and go to height, min height. Yeah, you can see the height has been increased, right? Just go here and just select this and go to style and background and image, free download. Alright, so just upload files, drag and drop, insert media, see. Now don't worry the strange looking look of this image right now, because it will be automatically adjusted when we try to add the text here, right? You can just wait and watch. And here we will put a heading and we'll name it about us, and then We just click the 6 dots and go to text editor and just drag and drop it here below this about us, and here we will write something about our company. I'm not messing around with this demo text, because this is just for demonstration purposes. You can write anything good about your company, that we have 20 plus years of experience, and this is how the about us section will look like. Now we can adjust this image position, center, and attachment, scroll, repeat, no repeat, size, auto, cover, contain. I think cover is looking good, so cover. See, this is looking good. Now if you want, we can give this section a good nice color. So just select this section, go to style and background, color, and just give it a bluish color, right? Because this is the theme that we are following since heading, right? So I like this color, so it is pretty dark and following and looking good with this theme. So just let this color be this, and let me just edit the color of the header also. So go to this thing, style, and paste here. Now you can see the colors of this and this is same. Now all we have to do is to change the color of text also, because it is not looking good. We'll select white color for this, so go to white. Similarly this, right? Yeah, so this is how our landing page is looking right now, right? We have our heading, our company name, call to action button here, a good heading with call to action, services, about us page with text and image. And now let's create the final section where we will create the contact section, right? So just select this and insert heading, contact us, center line, drag and drop this inner section here. So we have two nice columns. Sorry, heading, phone number, similarly one more heading here, email us, and let's just duplicate this and let's put our address here. Right now let's click here and decrease the size of the font. Typography, I think 17 is good, not too large, not too small. Copy, select this area, go to style, typography, paste it here. Similarly go here, style, typography, and paste it here, right? And now go to the 6 dots again and copy text editor. Similarly copy text editor here, and similarly here too. Wait, it is, yeah, here. Alright, so here we'll write our phone number, which is this. Right here, put your company phone number, contact @numbers.com, whatever your email is. Here is your address. I'm just putting random address. Right, so you can see this is how. Let's just make this in capitals. Right, so go to style, typography, transform, and uppercase. So see, this is how you can just play around with the text. You can change the case, lowercase, capitalize, or whatever you want. So I'm just putting it in uppercase here. It is looking good. So this is how the contact section will look like. Now what I'll do is I'll just put some gap in between this, because this text and this heading section are very close to each other. So let's just put some gap here. So just click this six dots and go to advanced, and let's just add some padding. Let's see. Alright, so now it is good. 50 padding is good. 50 padding at top, and similarly I think if we put 50 padding in bottom, no, it is not necessary, I think. So yeah, it is good. Similarly, go to this section and give 50 top padding. Yeah, it is good now. So this is how a simple landing page for your pay-per-call campaign would look like. Now I think we should make it, you see this is opening in full screen, and it is not opening in the not touching the edge of this screen. So let's make it full screen. Go to this 6 dot, and in this content width, go to full width. Right, now you can see it is touching the screen now, and our whole site is looking very good. Now let's just view our page, preview changes. Alright, see, this is how beautiful our site is looking, how quick and easy it was to just create a landing page with free tool. You don't have to pay anything. So let's just check this button that we created, this click to call button. Just click here and see, it prompts for the call. Right, so it is working correctly. Right, so this is how you have to make a good landing page. Let's just test it for the mobile page. Let's see how it looks on mobile. So you see, you can select this tablet mode, and this is mobile mode. So you can see in mobile it is not looking very good right now. So let's just adjust this. Go here and make this center line for mobile, and select this and make it center line. I just think that we should decrease the size here of this text for the mobile, because it is looking too big for the mobile screen. So just, I think, this, and again this is good. Similarly, what I think is that the height of this section is a little bit more for the mobile. So just adjust the height like this. Now it is looking fairly good now. Yes, now it is good. I think it is too big. Let's just decrease the size. Similarly, decrease the size of this one also. 16 is good. Select, copy this and go here, style, typography, and paste. Go here, style, typography, paste. Go here, style and typography, and paste. So you see, now it is looking fairly good. This is how you have to adjust your landing page design for mobile, because it is very important that you your mobile version of website should also look very good and responsive. So this is how you have to adjust your website for your mobile device. Now let's update it and go back to the desktop version. This is how desktop version looks like. So this is how you have to create a landing page for your pay-per-call offer, whatever niche you are working on. And I hope you like this video, and if you have any other suggestions and requests for Google Ads and pay-per-call topics, please comment below and I'll try to cover it very soon. Alright, so this is Ankit Shrivastava signing off. Thank you very much.